National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Donovan County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas, eastern Atchison County in northeastern Kansas, Buchanan County in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Clay County, Platte County, southeastern Andrew County in northwestern Missouri until 4 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rushville to near Lewis and Clark Village to near Winchester, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Joseph, Leavenworth, Atchison, Smithville, Platte City, Weston, Gower, Wauthena, Elwood, Agency, Edgerton, Dearborn, Camden Point, Rushville, Tracy, Lewis and Clark Village, Donovan, Easton, DeKalb, and Cosby. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 15 and 50. Interstate 435 between mile markers 30 and 33. Interstate 229 between mile markers 0 and 7. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Atchison, Donovan, and Leavenworth, and the following counties in Missouri: Andrew, Buchanan, Clay, and Platte.